Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ABUS 83409 weatherproof cap. This is for the 83/45-50 padlocks from ABUS. Pretty simple operation naturally. This is going to hook over to where the shackle of the hasp will come through. This is going to be the flip over cap that will seal off the keyway in the bottom, and this is obviously going to be a protective boot that goes underneath. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward. Just a couple of very basic dimensional properties. Overall length looks like it's about 7.5 inch. The width of the body itself on the outside is about 1 1/8 inches. Okay, overall length of the body, just to put some scale to it, I suppose, about 2 1/8 or so. Let's switch to the screen view where we can take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are indeed looking at. Let's take a look at some photographs that we have linked to down below. There it is. Just to give you a better perspective as well. Okay. Extended description information down below. Padlock part made of plastic, sold as each. So this is for the 83/45, 50, 55. Let's do this. Let's explore it a little bit. Let's take that part number with us and let's copy it. There's a link below the video here to the manufacturer's page within the site where you can pull up not only all of the ABUS products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website as well as an ABUS catalog. So let's take a look at that and see if we can find a padlock that matches that. And indeed, we will. So there's our 83/55 padlock. They also mention, of course, the 45 and the 50. There's your 83/45 padlock. The 50 is here as well. So I gather that this boot is compatible with all three of those models. One in 57/64. Let's take a look at the other sizes. I would think that they would have to be equal to that. 1 in 57/64. It's going to be pretty close to 1 3/4. 1 divided by 64 times 57. No, it's not. 0.89. So that's way off. And then, of course, the 55 is 2 1/8. So this is not going to be compatible with all of them. That's to be sure. My guess is that this information is in error because the ID width of the boot itself, well, something is in error, is 1 3/4. So let's take our 83/409 part number and let's search in the catalog as well. It doesn't show up, and I'm not surprised. Let's look at the price list. If it exists anywhere, it will in the price list, and it does. So they list it for the 45 and 50. And the 55 has a different cap. So this is an error. So if you'll... I'm going to pause this video and correct that. And we ought now have that corrected. Let's take a look. Yeah, indeed. Okay, so there it is. It's corrected. It's a good reason to go through the information as well. Right on. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Where might you use this? Well, I noticed that those bodies of those padlocks that we were looking at were not your run-of-the-mill items. They are items that are going to be, they're not your typical low-cost laminated padlocks. That 83/45, I believe that's a brass body padlock. Yeah, indeed. You're using higher grade padlocks because you have applications that clearly require a higher grade padlock, meaning the exposure, the application is a bit more extreme. You might have an application where your padlock is installed where the key is pointed up for whatever reason. The last thing you want is water turning into ice, freezing inside of there. And while this won't make it waterproof, it will sure discourage the encroachment of moisture into that cylinder. So as far as I'm concerned, if you're going to invest the money into the nice brass body padlock to begin with, that's pretty low-hanging fruit. If you have any questions on the ABUS 83409 weatherproof cap for the 8345-50 padlock or any other ABUS product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.